In Excel, it's fairly easy to copy downwards in such a way that it doesn't go too far. So for example, here we've got some sales, cost of sales. We've built a gross profit formula. It's quite nice and easy. If I wanted to copy to there without continuing, I can just go here, get that little cross symbol, and when I double click, it goes and copies it down. The problem is it does not work the same for left to right. So I'm just making that a bit bigger. So if I wanted to copy this now across, same formula, I'm either going to have to drag it like that, which is not really ideal. I'm just going to undo. So the one way that we quite like, we use quite a bit, is we'll go to the first cell, copy it, then go to a row above that has the full area. I'm going to hold my control down and push my right arrow, get to the very end without actually going all the way to the last column. Go one down, then control shift and my left arrow, and you'll see I've now highlighted that area, and I'm going to go control V and I can paste it. So that's one way to do it. I'm just going to undo. The other way to do it is to set up a border. So you'll see here I'm going to just put in some X's for the border. I've purposely left a column there. So what I can do now is go copy this, go control shift right, and then holding my shift key down, go left, and you'll see we're now in the correct area, and I can go control V and paste it. So those are some fairly quick ways to avoid doing the following, where you go control and right arrow and it hits the very last column in the spreadsheet. Just to get back, control and left arrow, and we are back here.